If you don't like feeling sleepy but still yawn, then listen up. Yawning isn't laziness. It's a brain-cooling trick. Stay tuned for the quick science behind it. We used to think yawns meant boredom or tiredness. Turns out, yawning helps cool your brain. When you yawn, you open your jaw wide. Inhale a big breath. That rush of air cools blood flowing to the brain. The jaw stretch also increases circulation, moves cooler blood in lowering brain temperature by a fraction of a degree. Cooler brains work better. Improved alertness, sharper, thinking faster reactions. So next time you yawn, don't be embarrassed. Your brain's just getting its AC on. Quick tip: a deep breath, a short walk helps too. Follow for more neat science facts.